Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best toy doctor kits that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Toy Doctor Kits, popular game among children. And we've found some of the best toy doctor kits to make their play come to life. But before we reveal them, we'll give you an idea of what to look for and what your child could gain from owning a toy doctor kit. Number 5 Melissa and Doug Doctor Play, Doctor's Jacket, a mask, and a name tag. It also comes with a stethoscope that makes realistic heartbeat sounds. Lets your child look and feel like a real doctor. Electronic stethoscope. Batteries not included. Machine washable mask and jacket. Number 4 Doc McStuffins Hospital Bag, any doctor might need. It includes a stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, and an otoscope. The stethoscope features fun lights and sounds to make play a little more magical. Magical stethoscope. Girly medical bag. Includes fun accessories. Number 3 Learning Resources Doctor Kit. Similar to the products from the brand Little Pretender, it includes a bunch of tools that will allow your preschooler to look and feel the part. It includes a variety of supplies, from bandages to a dental mirror. Large kit with 19 pieces. Includes dental tools. Comes in pink and blue. Number 2 FisherPrice Medical Kit. Ear scope, thermometer, blood pressure device, bandage, syringe, and a carrying bag. To make it even more fun, the kit has a few surprise effects. The old school style of the bag is cool. Features a pretend digital thermometer. The fun effects are unique. Number 1 Tresbro Doctor Kit for Kids. There is a toothbrush, toothpaste, oral mirror, and more. It even includes a palette with removable teeth. All the dental tools are made of high-quality wood and painted with non-toxic paints, so they're excellent for children ages 3 and up. Kit with a working stethoscope. 3 professions to choose from. Includes a carrying bag. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.